What is Docker?
Yo, ever booked an app that worked just fine on your machine, ran every line, but moved it once and now it's broke? Dependencies clash, man, that's no joke. Here comes Docker, cool and slick, solving problems real quick. It wraps your app nice and tight with all it needs to run just right. It ain't a VM, it's way more lean. No heavy OS, it's super clean. Just your code and what it needs in a container. That's the key. You write a Docker file, step by step. Install this, copy that, keep it prepped. Build an image, think of it froze. A snapshot of your app, head to toe, then run a container. Boom, it's live. Your app in motion starts to thrive. Same on Mac or Linux base, even on cloud. Same runtime, same face. Images are static, but containers move. They spin up fast and find their groove. When it ends, no trace remains. You keep it clean, no config pains. Wanna share a Docker hub is there. Push your image, spread it bare. Teams can pull it, test and build. CI/CD, yeah, dreams fulfilled. Isolated world, but still so light. Run 100 strong on hardware tight. Ship your stack with peace of mind. No more it broke, your Docker aligned.
So what's Docker? Just to be clear, a tool to make your app appear anywhere the same each time. No broken builds, no lost design. It's not just code, it's confidence. It's dev to prod with zero dents. From devs to ops, it's bridging lands. With Docker in hand, you understand.
Code indie, making tech poetic, dropping facts and flow so aesthetic. Next up, what's CI/CD routines? Stay tuned, we're shipping dreams.